For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a first of its kind, a giant rat from Cambodia has won the People's Dispensary for Sick Animals Award for its bravery. The giant rat, named Magawa, was awarded British Charity's Top Civilian Award for detecting undetonated landmines in the country. This giant African pouch rat has discovered around 39 landmines and 28 items of unexploded ordnance in the past 7 years. According to the PDSA, the rat was trained by a Belgian organization that has trained many such rats to detect the scent of the explosive chemicals used in landmines. As soon as these rats detect the scent of these chemicals, they would immediately point out to their handlers. Those at the Anti-Personnel Landmines Removal Product Development or APOPO, responsible for training rats, express their happiness and pride.
Magawa's medal is a huge honor for our animal trainers, but also it is big for the people in Cambodia and all the people around the world who are suffering from landmines. The PDSA Gold Medal Award brings the problem of landmines to global attention.
Interestingly, Magawa is the first rat to be awarded the PDSA medal in 77 years of charity history. Before Magawa, all the recipients of the award were dogs. As per APOPO, the African giant pouch rat is a very rare intelligent animal. African giant pouch rats are intelligent and easy to train. Magawa began training from a young age and passed all his tests with flying colors before being deployed to Cambodia. He has been trained to ignore scrap metal lying about and signals to his handler when he detects a landmine's exact location. According to APOPO trainers, Magawa is quick and decisive and likes to take naps during break time. He enjoys looking out for landmines as he'll be rewarded with his favorite fruit, bananas. Rodents can easily be trained to detect scents and can do it much more quickly than humans. On a daily basis, hero rat Magawa's work is life-saving and life-changing and has a direct impact on the men, women and children in the communities in which he works. For every landmine or unexploded remnant he finds, he eradicates the risk of death or serious injury in locations already suffering significant hardship. Once the news of a rat winning a bravery award went viral on the internet, several netizens congratulated Magawa for his work. However, a few Twitter users also pointed out that he is facing cruelty.
Rats are heroes. Funny to see this Rattle Award many years after first learning of landmine rats and 60 years of having the pleasure of all my ratties, superb friends and pets.
Over 6 crore people in 59 countries continue to be threatened by landmines and unexploded ordnances. Multiple countries dropped unexploded ordnance across Cambodia, Vietnam and Laos during the Vietnam War. According to PDSA, there are still 3 million unexploded landmines in Cambodia alone. Moreover, Cambodia has the highest number of amputees per capita in the world, with 25,000 unexploded ordnance-related amputees.